Alright, welcome back to another cruise log series. We are at the Miami Cruise Port in Terminal A. We are fixing to board the Freedom of the Seas for our Thanksgiving cruise, and so we were able to check in about 15 minutes early to drop off luggage, and now we're about to go load the ship.
Let's go, yes!
Alright. It's check-in time. It's 11:30, and we are headed up to the second floor of the terminal here. This is Therese and I's first ever Royal Caribbean cruise, and it's been a while since we've been to Miami, so we're really excited. This is a 4-night trip, and we're going to Coco Cay tomorrow, and then Nassau on Wednesday. So we ready or what, Therese?
I'm ready. This is so pretty. It's really nice.
Yep, to this point we've dropped off luggage, been through security, checked in. It has been super easy to this point. So, and here we go, boarding the ship. From the time we dropped off luggage to the time we are boarding the ship, about 25 minutes. Awesome job, Royal. Our muster station is C20, so as soon as we board the ship, we are here. Alright, so we need to run to deck 5 real quick to handle something at guest services, and then we're going to find ourselves something to probably eat and drink. We are on deck 5 in the Promenade. Alright, so right outside of Vintages in the Promenade, I believe is where we're going to pick up our cups for our drink package that we got.
So we just picked up our cups. These are our refillable cups for Cokes, waters, whatever we want on the ship. So I think they're really cute and little souvenirs you can take home with you.
They do have the Coke freestyle machines here to fill those cups up with. And those are right next to Sorrento's Pizza. And we're getting our first bite of the famed Sorrento's Pizza on Royal Caribbean. Do we get the proverbial thumbs up?
It goes very good.
Won't be my last piece of pizza for sure this week. Alright, you go to the pool? I gotta wait for the pool?
Yeah, let's do the pool. Her name.
Huh?
What deck are we going to?
11. So we're headed up to deck 11 to the
pool.
To the pool. That's it. Lime and coconut. We just met a super nice cast member named Kat. We enjoyed talking to you, Kat. Hope you're watching this. And but for now, it's time to go find us a drink. We popped up on deck 11. We are at the comes out at the Solarium. So this is the adult area here on the Freedom of the Seas. Stopped off at the Solarium bar, got our first drink, and now we're just hanging out by the pool. Trez got no idea I'm filming her right now. So, but Solarium side's nice and quiet. Alright, so we just got into our room. It's about 2:40. We've been here about 10 minutes. I did a room tour. I'm going to do that as a separate video. So if you want to check that out, you're more than welcome to do so. It's in the comments and in the description below. We'd appreciate it if you look at that video. Again, it's 9644 Junior Suite. We hung out at the pool a little while, had a few drinks. Everything has been absolutely awesome to this point. It's like I said, it's our first Royal Caribbean, and so everything is like exceeded our expectations at this point. But we're just kind of gonna hang out for now. Our luggage is supposed to be here by 3 o'clock. We still don't have that yet. So we also have 5:45 dinner, which is the early dinner time. We didn't choose my time dining on this trip, so we have the early dining at 5:45. It's 70s night, and also hopefully we're going to be able to check out the ice skating show tonight. I think they have 2 shows tonight, so we're going to try to catch one of those. And somebody's napping, which is not a shocker. So. We got about 15 minutes for dinner, so we decided to swing down here to the Casino Royale. Obviously it's not open yet, we're not far enough out of port, but There's my wife eyeing the coin machine.
Look at this. Look, I thought we would win.
How much money is it going to cost us to win $20? That's the question.
25 cents a time.
Yeah. It costs us $25 to win 20 bucks probably.
Hey, it's worth it.
Girl math. I am sure before it's over, we will spend a little bit of money in here. But right now we're just kind of walking and exploring the ship still. So learning where everything's at. But how you liking it so far?
I love it. I'm very pleasantly surprised with how much I like it. Because, you know, all week I'm Disney, and now it's Royal, and I'm impressed. Very impressed.
It's just Therese looking over dinner. We just sat down in the main dining room, and we are at seat 331 or table 331. Guys, this is right next to the window. Check out this view as we leave Miami. I'm not sure how we ended up with this. It is a table for two. So we had our first dinner in the main dining room. To me, the appetizer and the dessert were really kind of the star of that show. There's nothing wrong with the prime rib in the main course, but it was nothing that blew you away. It was pretty standard. But I did enjoy the escargot. The crab cakes were okay, but both that key lime pie and that cheesecake that our server recommended, both of those were really, really good. So overall, we enjoyed our first night dining. What did you like, Tris?
I like the cheesecake better than I like the key lime. I mean, I love key lime pie, but the cheesecake was really stood out to me. And I had this other fried chicken. It was good. I enjoyed it.
The ice skating show is in Studio B. So it is right outside the main dining hall on deck 3. So we're going to catch that. Also, as you walk into Studio B, you'll see this is where you can look at your pictures that you've taken on board with their photographers and such. We're at Studio B waiting on the ice skating show to start. Nice little arena. This is the first one of this cruise. There's another one tonight. I think there's one more on day 3 that's it. The ice skating show. What do you think, Tris?
I loved it. That's right up my alley. I love dancing. I love ice skating. It was very energetic. They were just Those are some talented dancers.
Good job. I liked it. Had fun. Might go back and watch it again before it's over with on night 3. Who knows?
Yeah, that was fun.
Anyway, all right, Trez. Let's try to get rich.
It's gonna go real quick. Got it.
Hey, $26.50. We got our money back, Chris. All right, we're up $10 total. We started with 20. She got 30. We're gonna take it and go cash it out and live to play another day. Leave it to Therese to find a shop to do some shopping in. This is the Royal Caribbean shop, by the way, on the Freedom of the Seas here in the Promenade. So everything in here has the Royal Caribbean logo. It's a nice shop, and I'm sure she'll find something to buy. Where's she at? There we go.
That's why I say you should come look. You might see
Like it? This is nice. How much is it?
$70.
Okay. Not bad. Just bad like a Spirit jersey. A nice cooler there. If you want to take a cooler somewhere. If you need a waterproof case for your phone, they have those here as well. And then, oh, there she is. What you looking at now? A clip and drink.
You attach this to a chair. Your drink.
Oh yeah, not bad.
You can flip it over, so look. You can do a wine glass.
Uh-huh.
Or you can flip it over and do just a regular drink.
Oh, cool.
Because it's got the hole.
And how much is that? Always $15? Yeah, not bad. Oh yeah, looking good, girl. They got a whole assortment of cups here. Alright, so we didn't escape the Royal Caribbean store without Therese buying something. But she did do me a solid and at least get something off the sale rack, which I actually like the shirt. Here, alright, show us what you got, Therese.
sparkly, just like me.
And it was on the sale rack. I think it was half off. Is that what it ended up being? It was like $15 a shirt, so good deal. Win for me if she only spent $15 on a shirt. So since we're on the Promenade on deck 5 and there's a show in about 10 minutes, it's fixing to start called Majority Rule in the Star Line, which is right on the forward of the ship here on deck 5. We're fixing to go sit down and see what that's about.
Okay, number 1. Name something sticky. That is number 1, okay? Name something sticky. 3, 2, 1, go!
I told him to run. He's like walking slow right now.
It's just a simple question and a sample for everyone. Okay, so Lisa, are you ready? And our majority in answers is blue. Everyone. Okay, those who got.
Alright, we're back on the Promenade. The Majority Rule show was pretty good. Wasn't bad. Entertaining for 30 minutes, but the Promenade is starting to come to life.
Miss Walker, I got you earlier. Did I get you
The tired Therese right there. And up there we have the village people. That's a pretty impressive group of people right there. Oh.
We're going to do something that is called by Nassau. 3 steps to the right, 3 steps to the left, 3 steps back, 3 steps forward. You ready? Facilita, bien fácil. Como relax. Una pasada a la derecha, tres a la izquierda.
enjoyed following along with us today on our first ever Royal Caribbean cruise and embarkation day. We left the party going at about 11:15 down there, and we're tired. It's been a long day, so we have a perfect day at Coco Cay tomorrow. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm sure you enjoyed it.
Yes, I did. The ice skating was fun. That was my favorite.
Yeah.
But everything was fun.
Yeah.
Everybody's so nice. Everybody is just, even the people that are on the ship, everybody just wants to be friends with you. So it's a lot of fun.
Yep. Yep. And Kat,
Oh yeah.
nice to meet you. I'm sure we'll see you around, so we'll give you a shout out. She's one of our favorites on the ship. So good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.